Got a 1.6 HD Peugeot that cranks but refuses to start? Before throwing sensors at it, check the crankshaft sensor wiring loom. These engines commonly suffer broken or corroded wires near the sensor connector, causing P0335 and P0336 faults, hesitation, stalling, and no-start issues. The fix is usually the updated repair harness and correct routing shown in the bulletin. Simple fault, massive headache if you miss it. Always check the loom before replacing parts.